271 fork replacement when it's doing this. Tools needed are 6 5mm spacers, 1 flathead, a 7mm socket, needle nose, and a replacement fork. So the first thing you'll need to do, typically you'd probably put something on the end of the screwdriver so you wouldn't scratch the frame or the glass, but this is a sample window. Pop it in the side, peel it off. Use your 7mm socket to take off 3 nuts. Here, here, and here. Put the 3 spacers in the top section to keep the top open but the bottom closed. Use 2 5mm spacers under the bottom. After you work it up, you might have to use the flathead to press the cam up and over so that it separates from the window. Push it under the bottom here, and another one under the side over here to prevent the slider from falling and then coming out of your track in the top. So when the window is away from the glass, you want to grab the top and peel back and away until the 3 screws, right here, right here, right here, all come out of their place. So if you want to peel back and push into the glass until they come out like that. And once you get to this position, you rotate forward and back. Remove the braided metal cable from the old fork, the broken one. Slide rod out. Make sure to hold on to the spring, otherwise it will come at you. Remove broken fork. Grab new fork. Grab handle. Move it all the way to the back. Insert fork so that the outermost slot is in the lower portion of the cam. You don't want to put it too far back, otherwise the handle will not work properly. Good way of testing it is put this all the way over, and if you push this forward, the handle won't be able to be removed. That's how you know if you have it in correctly. And once you have that, you slide the rod forward, insert spring, that forward, that, push forward until it gets into that spot. Use your needle nose to make sure it gets all the way past that slot. After that, you have your new fork in there. Align the braided metal cable back up right there. And then you align your pins down here with your compressed handle to your fork there. So you make sure that's in alignment. Make sure that's in alignment. Get it in the slot properly. And then push down and in a little bit. And until this plastic piece goes inside the rail, you should be able to see that fork, that pin, go in the fork. That's how you know you got it right. This one fell into place, but you would have to align the pin with the cam and press down and in. After you have that in the right place, make sure you push the rod in, otherwise that might pop out. Slowly release the handle until you are aligned with the 3 screws. That. The rod wanted to pop out. There we go. Until you're aligned. Falls in like that. Grab your 3 nuts that you previously removed. Thread them on one. Tighten down. There. Oh. Remove spacers. And put the cover back on. You should have a working slider.